the hub itself, around the split line, and the fittings themselves. Pretty simple. Spring inside. These are the travel stops for the blade angle. They'd be getting set up when you install it on the turbine. And it has a whole series of checks for ground idle and high pitch, the whole bit. You know, some props you turn these, other ones it's in the governor system. Does that make sense seeing this? Let's go look at some types of props. You can see how for these counterweights to get in line, the planar rotation, as this comes back this way, the blade's going to want to go to a deeper pitch. Make sense? Springs inside. This screw is actually a stop for travel for the blade. You'll be getting into all of that stuff when you get into the inspection for these things. I'm not going to have you pull one of these probably. We'll be doing on the two-bladed fixed pitch props, go through the procedures. You're going to be checking that, you're going to be checking blade angles. And I'll show you that on the bench in there. This is working like a reversing propeller. It'll actually push in both directions, thrust in both sides. On the helicopter, you've got a collective on top. If you turn this around 90 degrees, this is working just like a collective, just like the swash plate on the main road. The only thing that's different there is you have directional ability as well. Let's see what we got here.